guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but I am back and I've just been really busy with another project that I will discuss in another video. But today I have an Everlane haul for you guys. If you guys have been following my channel for a while now, you would know that I am a really big supporter of Everlane. I love that they're sustainable, their prices are really good, their quality is great, and their fit is on point. I love all their denim jeans, they fit me so well. But today I have 4 new pieces for the fall winter season that I'm gonna walk you guys through and unbox and then try it on so you guys can see how they fit. So I can start off with the sweater that I'm wearing right now. This one is the cropped alpaca sweater. This one is in the size double extra small and costs $100. And I really love the color of this sweater. It's in this like light evergreen color. And it's this really soft like ribbed alpaca wool sweater. It has a high neckline and really nice like big brown buttons. It says that it's cropped, but it's not really cropped on me. It actually just fits like a regular like length cardigan. Then the sleeves here have some extra fabric just to make it a little bit like loose around the elbow area. But I love this sweater just because there's like a lot of different ways that you can wear it. You can either wear it like all the way buttoned up to be more like conservative, or what I like to do is I like to like put like one button and then leave the other ones open at the top and the bottom, just because I wear a lot of like high-waisted pants, so it's kind of nice just to like open that up. I'm wearing like a Skims tube top bandeau underneath that matches like with the buttons. And I just feel like the sweater is just like so cute just because of the color. I don't really have anything that's like this color in my wardrobe right now, but I feel like it's a really cute color for fall. This color is actually one of like the trending colors for fall. I think it was like pistachio was the color name that was trending, and this is like kind of like in that pistachio green color. You can wear it so many ways, like button up, open, over like a little dress, or just as a regular top. And what's great about it is that you can layer it too. It's like not super tight. It does have like some room here, so you can wear like some extra layers if you live like in a cold area. So the next piece I got is another alpaca sweater. This one is the oversized alpaca crew sweater, and this one was $95 in the size extra small. They didn't have a double extra small online when I was buying this, so I just got an extra small just because I really wanted this sweater. It's in this like heathered black, gray, white colorway. It's also a ribbed knit, and the fit is oversized. It also has like the bigger sleeves here to give it that like baggier fit. So I really like this sweater just because it's super cozy and literally goes with everything. It's perfect for the like fall winter season because it'll keep you really warm. And also what I like to do with like sweaters is, since I wear a lot of like high-waisted jeans and high-waisted pants, I always do like the French tuck thing where like I tuck the bottom of the sweater underneath my bra in the front and the back, and then it kind of makes it like this cropped sweater. Whenever you do that, you're kind of able to just like control the length of your top because you are tucking it and letting it kind of just like fall right above your pant line. And I really like that just because like I don't like when it's like super bulky like in the stomach area, and I like to accentuate my waist, so I do that a lot with a lot of my tops. So the third piece I got is this black long puffer jacket. This one is called the Renew long puffer jacket and costs $175. The pricing on this is really great. A lot of the puffer jackets out there are really expensive, and I feel like this jacket has a lot of quality and worth in it for $175, and it's actually part of their Renew line, which is their more like environmentally friendly material pieces. And this jacket was actually made from 60 plastic bottles, and all the other materials in it, like the polyester and like the shell material, everything is all recycled materials. And I'm always up for an investment piece, and this definitely is one of those. I don't have any other puffer jackets in my wardrobe right now, and this is perfect. I got it in black, so it matches everything. The length on this is really good as well. It does stop like kind of like near my knee area, and it's a hooded long sleeve jacket, has a zipper and button closure. Also inside there's like a drawstring here to tighten, so you can kind of like cinch it in the waist, which is a really nice touch because I feel like puffer jackets, they just make you look like very like big and like there's never any shape to it. So this is a really nice touch to the design because they're thinking of like the body and how you want to feel. I feel like because it's cold, you just want to wear something that's like cozy, soft, and like layers, but then you kind of just like don't feel like cute, if you know what I mean. And that's why I like spring summer styles better, just because it like has more of like a silhouette and you're able to like just show off your form, and like I just like feel more confident in those type of styles. But I really like this jacket because I'm able to do that and kind of just like cinch the waist and give more shape to the outfit. Okay, so the last thing I got from Everlane are these boots. These ones are the Boss boot, and these ones cost $235. They are definitely an investment piece, but I absolutely love them. They're made of 100% Italian leather, and it's in this like snakeskin print. And the color is very neutral. It has like green, brown, black, and white in it, so it matches with like a lot of things. It's a 2-inch heel and it also has like a zipper closure here and a pointed toe. I was debating whether or not to get this one or the black pebbled leather one. That one is really cute and classic as well, but I feel like for the price, since it is a more like investment piece, I felt like I should go towards more of like a statement shoe. I'm a huge fan of snakeskin print and I have a lot of pieces that are of this print, but I'm also really picky about it. I feel like a lot of the snakeskin shoes that are on the market right now, that are more affordable, they are not as cute. For me, the print has to be right, the color has to be right, and also like the shape of the shoe. And I feel like this shoe just like has everything that I want. I got it in my normal shoe size, which is a women's size 6, and it fits perfectly. It is definitely true to size. And something I want to point out is that it is a pointed toe, but it's not super narrow here, so it doesn't squish your toes at all. It's actually really comfortable, and I like the fact that it is a little bit wider here, so it gives your toes some room. I wore these on set for like 8 hours on a photo shoot that I was styling, and my feet didn't hurt at the end of the day. And I was actually surprised because that was the first time I wore them, and usually with like boots like these, you have to like break them in at least like 1 or 2 times before they get like super comfortable. But these were comfortable right off the bat, which is great. I absolutely love these shoes. I definitely recommend these ones. This shoe actually comes in a lot of different colors. It comes in like a bone colorway, black, I think like a patent black leather too. But I'll leave all the links to everything that I purchased down in the description box down below. I feel like I got a lot of really great pieces from Everlane that will last me a really long time and won't really go out of style. Everything that I got is very neutral and can match a lot of things for not just this season, but like next year and the year after, which is like exactly what I'm looking for whenever I'm buying clothes. I know a lot of the pieces are more on the pricier side, but if you think long term and know that you're gonna wear it for like years and years to come, and also the fact that the quality is really good and it will last you a long time, then you can see the value in purchasing an item of this price point. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I love sharing new pieces that I get to add to my wardrobe, especially those that are sustainable and from like brands that I really support. I hope it inspires you to shop more long-term and something that is more sustainable for the sake of our planet. The fashion industry is super crazy with the amount of pollution and waste that it creates, and anything that you can do to help the better, whether it be by shopping sustainably or shopping like secondhand from an app like Poshmark, eBay, Depop, or just going like thrifting and buying something that's secondhand. All those things really add up and it does make a difference. Anyways, I'm kind of rambling, but thank you guys so much for watching. I will be posting more, especially in the new year. I do have a lot of content ideas that I want to create. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do, and I'll see you in the next video.